and 2 6 means this combination is showing that I'm spending here only rupees 6, or we can say rupees 6 only. But there is a rule, there is a, or we can say there is a compulsory rule to spend entire money, means money should be we can say that entire money should be spent, entire money should be spent. But see, according to this value, means these value 20 and 20 are same, means there may be equilibrium, there may be equilibrium. But always remember these combination are showing that I'm not spending entire money on these combinations. See, I'm showing consumer equilibrium by using this combination, means 3 units of good X and 2 units of good Y. Suppose if I am showing consumer equilibrium by using this combination, means 2 units of good X, 3 units of good Y. See, according to this combination, table will be like in this shape, see, or in this form: 1 2 3 4 5 MUX MUY. See, take any value, suppose 30, 25, 20, 50, 10. I hope it is clear. See, now I'm using this combination: 2 units of good X and 3 units of good Y, and I'm showing consumer equilibrium by using this combination. See, second unit of 2 units of good X. See, at second unit of good X, marginal utility is 25 utils. Marginal utility is 25 utils, means I will take 25 because 2 units of good X and 3 units of good Y. I will take 25 for 3 unit of good Y. 3 unit of good Y. Same value 25, means on second 25, and for third will be same 25. Now you can put here any value, but value should be in decreasing order. See, suppose 35, 30, 20, 50. See here, now consumer equilibrium will be occur only when consumer will purchase 2 units of good X and 3 units of good Y. See, you may ask from me, sir, both values are also same, both values are also same. See here, according to this, I am consuming 1 unit of good X, and according to this I am consuming 2 units of good Y. But this combination is showing that I am not spending entire money, but according to my example, according to my value, see, according to this I am consuming 2 units of good X and 3 units of good Y. This combination is showing that I am spending entire money income. It means that there is a compulsory rule, money should be, we can say entire money should be spent, and entire money should be spent, means, or we can say that, see here, both are same. According to this I am consuming 3 units of good X, and according to this I am consuming 4 units of good Y. This combination is showing that I am spending beyond my capacity. Means my capacity is rupee 10. But this combination is showing that I am spending beyond my capacity. So this combination will not exist, and this combination will not exist, because there is a compulsory rule: entire income should be spent, not less than, not more than, either not less than and we can say neither uh, less than or more than. I hope all of you have understood. Now how can we make this type of table to show consumer equilibrium? We can say to show the concept of consumer equilibrium. See now, uh, see proof of this table. We know that formula of, or we can say consumer condition of consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity, mux upon px is equal to muy upon py. Mux is 12, px rupee 2, muy 12 and py rupee 2 according to my example. See, both are equal, means LHS equal to RHS. I hope all of you have understood. This is proved. This is proved. Mux upon px is equal to muy upon py. Both are equal according to this example. I hope all of you have understood how can we make this type of table to show the concept of consumer equilibrium. To show the concept of consumer equilibrium. See, take another table. Suppose I am showing consumer equilibrium by using this combination. See, units mux muy. According to this example, maximum unit will be 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And see, I'm using this combination. Now I'm using this combination. See, take any value, but the value should be in decreasing order. See, 30, 20, 10, 5, 2. See here. Now I'm using this combination, and it means that 1 unit of good X and 4 units of good Y. See, at first unit of good X, marginal utility is 30 utils. Marginal utility is 30 utils. Means I will take, see, here is 4 units, here 4 units, see 4 units. I will take 30. I will take 30 for 4 units, fourth unit of good Y. See, now take any value. Suppose 50, 40, 35 and 20. I hope all of you have understood. See, prove this. Now I am proving this. What is the condition of consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity? Mux upon px is equal to muy upon py. See here, mux 30 utils and px according to my example rupee 2 each. See here, 2 and muy 30, 2 means 50. LHS equal to RHS. We can see that, or we can say both are equal. Now this table is showing consumer equilibrium. This table is showing consumer equilibrium when consumer purchases 1 unit of good X and 4 units of good Y. But see here, you may ask from me, sir, both are also equal. Both are also equal. But see, according to this, I am consuming 2 units of good X, and according to this, I am consuming 5 units of good Y. Means this combination is showing that I am spending beyond my capacity. This combination is showing that I am spending beyond my capacity. which is not possible, which is not possible. I hope all of you have understood. It's up to you. Means you can show consumer equilibrium uh, by using this combination, either using by this combination or this or this or this. See, suppose if you want to take your example, see, suppose you are taking your example. Suppose total money income of the consumer is rupee 20, then you will take price of good X and good Y same. Means price of good X and price of good Y should be, we can say, should be same. Price of good X and price of good Y is rupee according to 20. You can take either rupee 4 each unit, rupee 4 rupee 4 each unit, or you can take rupee 5 each unit. It's up to you. Suppose if you take rupee 4 each units, means maximum unit will be according to 4, 20 is here, and rupee 4 each unit means maximum unit will be 5. Suppose if you take rupee 5 each unit, means maximum unit will be 4, and first of all you will make possible combination. And always you will ignore this combination and this combination. Means, and you can make, or you can show consumer equilibrium by using one of the combination. I hope all of you have understood how can we show consumer equilibrium with the help of schedule in case of two commodities. Have a good day and thank you very much.